Hey there, budget bosses! Today I'm diving into something that could totally transform the way you handle your finances: zero-based budgeting. Ever heard of it? If not, you're in for a treat. So what exactly is zero-based budgeting? Picture this. At the start of each month, your budget starts at zero. Yep, $0. Every dollar you plan to spend has to be justified from scratch. You allocate every single dollar to a specific purpose until you hit zero. Sounds intense, right? But stick with me, it's simpler than it sounds. Imagine your income as a big pie. With zero-based budgeting, you slice that pie up into exact portions. Rent, groceries, savings, fun money, each gets its piece. There's no room for leftovers. Every dollar is accounted for. Now, why would you want to do this? Well, for starters, it forces you to think about your spending. Like, really think. No more random purchases or wondering where your money went at the end of the month. It gives you control. And control is key to financial success. Here's how you get started. First, list all your income sources: salary, side gigs, everything. Next, list all your expenses. Be thorough. Break it down into categories: essentials like rent and utilities, and non-essentials like dining out and entertainment. Finally, match your income to your expenses until every dollar has a job. Don't forget to include savings and debt payments. But is zero-based budgeting right for you? Let's weigh the pros and cons. On the plus side, it's incredibly detailed, which can help you spot wasteful spending. It's also flexible. You can adjust it as your financial situation changes. However, it does require more time and effort than more traditional budgeting methods. If you're someone who likes structure and control, this could be a game changer. If not, it might feel a bit overwhelming. To sum it up, zero-based budgeting can be a powerful tool for mastering your finances. It gives you a clear picture of where your money is going and helps you make more intentional spending decisions. Give it a try and see if it's the right fit for you. Remember, the goal is to make your money work for you, not the other way around. Thanks for tuning in, Budget Bosses. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips on mastering your finances. See you next time.